Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Ursula on Dress to Impress. This is the hair that I have and the skin tone and makeup. This is obviously optional to you, like it's like totally customizable how you want the hair as well as the face. So first of all, I am going to add on these falsies first. These fake lashes, I think. Should I add them or should I not? Actually, I'm not gonna add them. So first of all, for the fit, we are going to use the grandma dress, as people call it. Well, I call it like that, but okay, we're just going to use the skirt only, so I'm going to use that. I'm just going to color it black and purple. We're going to use this purple, but I'm going to just make it like darker, like this. Then I'm going to use this top and I'm going to color that black. And then I'm going to use this. I'm going to color it black, but I'm going to do no feet. So it looks kind of like tentacles, I guess. Also going to use the Valentine's dress. We just need this part. So we're going to color it purple and black. Like so. Oh, we're also going to be needing this one here. Just the skirt, and I'm going to color that purple. Should have just saved the other purple, honestly, but it's too late. Okay, actually, let me just save that first. Whoops. I think my turn off foil. Actually, I might add silk to the material instead. Like so. If you have VIP, you can add more like of these ruffles and color it the same for more tentacles, but if you don't have it, that's also fine. For the necklace, I'm just going to be using this, and I'm going to color it black, and I'm going to color it kind of like a gold color. I'm going to add like a metallic sheen to it. Actually, I might just add it to the whole thing because I don't really like the black on it, so just make it all gold instead. And that is it. You can make her arms like bulkier by like adding sleeves, but it's totally up to you. And yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.